Alright everyone, imagine it's a balmy summer evening. The crickets are chirping, and the aroma of blooming flowers fills the air. Oh, and guess what? It's peak firefly season in the realm of your mind. Start by taking a deep, luxurious breath. Feel the warm summer breeze on your skin. Ah, refreshing. Breathe out, releasing any tension, just like letting go of a day's hard work chasing those pesky fireflies. In front of you is a vast open field, shimmering under the moonlight. And guess what's flickering all around? Yep, those little glowing dots. Each one represents a thought, darting in and out of your awareness. Some are steady, some blink rapidly as if they've had one too many cups of coffee. Now, here's the fun part. Let's try and catch some. Don't worry, this isn't a race. We're not aiming for a jarful, but instead, just the experience. Every time you become aware of a thought, whatever it may be, picture yourself gently catching a firefly, admiring its glow, then releasing it back into the wild, watching it fly away. Missed a thought? No problem. There are plenty more fireflies to chase. And sometimes, it's fun just to sit back and watch the luminous dance they perform, without trying to interfere. Feel that? That's the joy of awareness, the fun in the chase, and the serenity of just being. As we begin to wrap up this playful escapade, gather all the fireflies you've caught, and with a gentle breath out, release them all at once, watching as they scatter into the vast night, leaving a trail of glow. Breathing in the crisp night air, and out, feeling a sense of accomplishment and amusement. You, my friend, have just frolicked in a meadow of mindfulness, catching thoughts like fireflies. Whenever you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present. Eyes open, and maybe, just maybe, with a cheeky smile on your face. And remember, anytime your thoughts seem to buzz around like pesky mosquitoes, why not turn them into fireflies instead? A bit more magical, isn't it?